Look in the mirror right now. That version of you, that's the cost of believing in willpower. You tell yourself you just need more discipline. Yesterday you swore today would be different. This morning, same loop, same scroll, same regret. Willpower is finite. It runs out. Systems don't. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 execution laws that make discipline automatic. No motivation needed. You're about to run a system. Discipline isn't about doing more. It's about doing less on purpose. First law, break the do more rule to build discipline. Winners cut, losers collect. Open next week's calendar and mark the 3 items that drive your main goal. Keep what a person or a deadline requires. Defer the rest. Every extra obligation adds another choice and slows the work that matters. Winners simplify, the rest stay busy and stuck. Here's the second law. Lock down deep work so distraction can't exist. Stop chasing focus. Make distraction impossible. Set one non-negotiable deep work block. Close the inbox, silence the phone, shut the door. Resisting distraction drains you. Removing it lets the system carry you. Still pulling to check your phone? That's why the third law exists. Hope isn't a strategy. Feedback is. The third law is simple. Demand relentless feedback to improve daily. Each day, record what you finished, what you skipped, and what failed. Review weekly. Don't count hours, count completions. When you miss, ask, what failed? Why? What's the one change for tomorrow? Write that change at the top of tomorrow's page. Then return to the plan. Don't fix your feelings. Fix the system. Every reset builds bulletproof discipline. Discipline is ruthless design. It doesn't care how you feel. It cares what you do. Everyone wants elite results. Almost no one runs elite systems. 1 year from now, you'll wish you started today. Or you'll wish you could go back and slap the version of you watching this. Right now, you choose. Most will scroll and forget. Most will stay stuck. There's no middle. You act or you stay stuck. Eliminate one distraction right now. Delete the app. Block the site. Comment locked in to prove it and finish by saying what your next step is. The question isn't, can you build unbreakable discipline? It's will you?